Hello guys, welcome to another video on the PHP chapter. In this video about security, I'm going to talk to you about the Base64encode 64, which is a way to hide the values on the URL. I'm going to show you how to do that in case that some hacker or somebody wants to grab the information of the user for his own purposes and try to hack the password or the username or the email. So let's to see an example of this, let's get in the CRUD control center. I'm going to enter with Eminem1. Make sure you enter with a registered name. Okay, log in. Here's my picture. Now let's say I want to edit user, and let's say I go here to my this is the last registered user, so which is me, Eminem1. So if you click edit user, you'll see that I already changed the code and encoded all the values. As you can see up here in the URL, you have IDs equal to TX, PN, PQ, and all this is encoded. You probably don't have that encoded. You probably have the IDs as a number, the name as the Eminem1. Okay, so everything is open and anyone can get that URL and hack it and see the values. So this is a way to hide it with Base64encode 64. And the first thing you're gonna do to encode and hide these values on the URL is to go and open update.php and edit.php. So edit.php is the form that shows this, okay, all this, so you can edit the values. So the values in here have to appear decoded, and the values in update.php have to appear encoded. So to encode the values in the URL, which is this echo here, this is what makes the URL and the values appear in the browser. So the thing you have to do is inside a while loop, you have to create these four variables: first, second, third, and fourth. And to encode with Base64, you just need to type Base64 space encode and then ID in between parentheses, okay, which is the row ID, okay, from the database. So make sure you type Base64 encode for each one of the values: ID, name, email, and password. Okay. Now here, make sure you change IDs. You see here IDs equals first, okay, which is the variable that holds the encoded value for the ID. Second, names equals second here, okay, which is the variable that holds the Base64 encoded name value, and so on, okay, for email and password. Now make sure you have everything like this as I have it in here. Now that will encode all the values in the URL, and to decode it you just have to type Base64 decode here in the edit.php, h3 edit user, and then php echo base decode the request names. Okay, basically this is decoding the value of the name which appears in here. Okay, then you can do the same thing to decode it for the name, and this is what appears in here. Okay, and for the email, which is this one here, is here. Okay, so make sure you have it all like this. Okay, so to encode you use Base64encode, and to decode Base64decode. Okay, down here you also have to decode the ID, which is a hidden type input, but you have to decode it as well. Okay guys, that's these are the only changes you need to do in order to encode the values on the URL. Now let's try to see and change this. Let's type M2. I type here M2 and 1 2 3 4 5. Let's change the picture, save and update. Okay, session destroy. Let's get in. Everything is working fine. M2 and 1 2 3 4 5. Login. Oops. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, that's it. So whenever you want to edit a user, you'll see that the URL has everything encoded. Okay, so no hacker will be able to get the URL and see your values. Okay guys, so that's another security issue solved. If you have any questions, just send me a message or post your questions in the comment section. Okay guys, see you guys later. Bye.